Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm a Flexfilm, and I've crammed into a little Honda Civic today to show you guys when you should use a dash towel or one of these soak ropes, okay? I like both of these items, but I think I like one better than the other, and I'll tell you why, for one simple reason. With a dash towel, I can tuck it in and I can get the same effect with water not getting through the crack behind the dash as I can with a soak rope. But what I like about the dash towel is once the water hits the towel, it draws the water up in a wicking effect, okay? With the rope, I don't get the wicking effect. It just soaks in the rope. And when I pull the rope out, if it's tight, I'm watching a lot of the water wring out and fall back where it doesn't need to go anyway. I don't have that problem with the dash towel. If you tuck it in and you use one of these microfiber towels, all the water will touch the towel and wick back. I see this wicking effect come back toward me at over a foot sometimes. That way you're pulling the water away from the problem area, and when it's time to get the towel out, it's easily removed. It doesn't interfere with the bottom of the film. These soak ropes are good. It's better to have one of these than not have anything at all. But for me, the dash towel does it.